tell by the map, it says where you find the fork in the road, there might be treasure. But here's what we need to find, okay? So I need Cade to come help us see if we can find it. Okay, Cade, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a pile of rocks. Now we're gonna wait here. You're gonna look for a pile of rocks. And I think the map says that under that pile of rocks will be one of the treasures. Okay? Can you look for it?
You gotta wait.
Okay, so everyone's gonna wait right here.
So stay right
Cade's
here.
gonna go out.
Wait right here. Wait right here.
Everyone wait here. Wait here.
Why don't you guys start saying, go Kate?
Go Kate! Go Kate! Go Kate! Go Kate! Go Kate! Go Kate!
Guys, I think he found it. Come